Hello everyone, myself Vijay S. Golkai, Assistant Professor of Vijayanagar College, Hospet. For 6th semester students, today I would like to deal with animal behavior. What is ethology? Ethology is a branch of science which deals with the study of animal behavior. The term ethology was coined by Nick Steinberger in 1950. Animal behavior is the part of ethology. So, what is animal behavior? Animal behavior is the scientific study of the wild and wonderful ways in which animals interact with each other, with the other living beings, and with the environment. Most of the animal behavior is a sequence of responses related to some need of these species, such as getting food, acquiring and maintaining living space, protection, and reproduction. There are two types of behavior. One is innate behavior, means inborn behavior, and another one is learned behavior, which comes by experience. Innate behavior is also called inborn or inherited or stereotyped behavior. It is generally determined and established during development itself. It is controlled by genes. Characteristics of innate behavior. Let us discuss one by one. First one is it occurs in all the members of the species. Second one, the pattern of behavior is essentially similar in all the members of the species. Third one, it occurs independently of the environment. Fourth one, it occurs even in the individual which have not practiced the act. Fifth one, it takes place in individuals even if they were isolated and kept away from their fellow individuals. Fish do not learn swimming, they start swimming immediately after emerging from the egg. It is one of the example for characteristics of innate behavior. There are various types of innate behavior. Let us discuss one by one. First one is irritability. It is the ability of an organism to respond to the external or internal stimuli. Next one is tropism. Tropism is the turning of whole or part of an organism in a particular direction in response to an external stimulus. For example, sunflower always follow sunlight. There are two types of tropism. Phototropism is the orientation of plants in response to the stimulus of light. Example, plumule of germinating seed. Next one is geotropism, is the orientation of plants in response to gravity, that is earth. Example, radicle of the germinating seed. Kinesis is the process in which non-directional orientation of animal occur in response to external stimuli. There are two types of kinesis. When the speed of locomotion is affected by external stimuli, then this kinesis is called orthokinesis. When the rate of turning of an organism is influenced by external stimuli, it is called kinokinesis. Taxis is the movement directed towards or away from the stimulus. There are two types of taxes based on movement of an organism. The movement of an organism towards a stimulus is called positive taxis. The movement of an organism away from the stimulus is called negative taxis. There are many taxes based on type of stimulus. It is the movement of an organism in response to temperature. Phototaxis is the movement of an organism in response to light. Chemotaxis is the movement of an organism in response to a chemical stimuli. Geotaxis is the moving response to gravity. Thigmotaxis is the moving response to physical contact. Galvanotaxis is a moving response to constant electric current. Turning moment of animals by successive comparison of stimulus intensity is known as plenotaxis. Aerotaxis is the movement of an organism in response to air or oxygen. Pneumotaxis is the movement of an organism in response to wind. Hydrotaxis is the movement of an organism in response to moisture. Prophotaxis is a complex case of taxis in which orientation of animal is influenced by both external stimulation and internal state of animal. Thank you.